Hello everyone, welcome to the Health channel. Today we are going to talk about tomatoes. Please stay with me until the end of this video. Tomato is a red, fragrant and juicy vegetable and fruit. This plant is native to South and Central America. Tomatoes have very good properties and benefits for the body and have a high nutritional value. Also, using tomatoes helps to treat some diseases. Today, this fruit is used in different ways, raw or as one of the necessary ingredients to prepare food, salad, sauce and drink, and it forms an important part of the diet of the people of many countries. Cultivation of this plant has generally occupied an area of about 3 million hectares, which is nearly a third of the area dedicated to the cultivation of leeks in the world. Although tomato is considered a fruit in botany, it is often known as a vegetable in agriculture. This plant is known as one of the model plants in genetics. Tomatoes are the main source of the antioxidant lycopene, whose health benefits include reducing the risk of heart disease and cancer. In addition, it is an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. The amount of tomato juice is about 95%. 5% consists mainly of carbohydrates and fiber. If consumed, tomato leaves can cause stomachache and nervous disorders, and these leaves are also useful for escaping insects and ants from the living environment. Today, nearly 7,500 types of tomatoes are cultivated all over the world, which differ in shape, color, and taste. However, most of the tomato varieties have red fruits with a diameter of 5 to 6 cm. However, this fruit can be seen in yellow, orange, pink, purple, green, black, and white colors. The benefits of tomatoes. Number 1. Digestive health. Tomato contains rich amounts of strong antioxidants and fiber. For this reason, it can help to digest food easier, reduce stomach pain, treat stomach ulcers, and as a result, help the overall health of the digestive system. Number 2. Eye health. If you care about the health of your eyes, be sure to include tomatoes in your diet, because tomatoes contain rich amounts of vitamin A, which is very useful for improving vision. In addition, tomato consumption helps to reduce the risk of eye diseases such as night blindness and macular degeneration. Number 3. Skin lightening. Tomato is one of the fruits that has many benefits for the skin, and you have probably experienced natural tomato masks. Due to the presence of abundant vitamin C, tomatoes make your skin brighter and brighter in addition to cleansing the skin. Number 4. Treatment of constipation and diarrhea. Problems such as diarrhea and constipation arise because the process of the digestive system becomes difficult. Consuming tomatoes helps to improve the function of the digestive system due to its abundant fiber, and in addition to prevention, it can help to treat diarrhea and constipation. Number 5. Useful for pregnancy. One of the worries of pregnant women is that there will be defects in the neural tubes of the fetus. Because tomato is considered a natural source of folate, it can prevent neural tube defects in the fetus, which, as a result, help the health of the mother and the fetus. Number 6. Flu treatment. Diseases such as colds and flu occur due to the weakening of the body's immune system. Because tomato contains rich amounts of vitamin C and vitamin A, it helps to strengthen the body's immune system, and for this reason, it can help to treat and prevent colds. Number 7. Treatment of hypothyroidism. Tomato is a natural and rich source of selenium, and for this reason, it can help regulate the activity of the thyroid gland. In addition, consuming tomatoes in a proper diet can help treat hypothyroidism. Number 8. Natural sunscreen. Several researches have been done on tomato tissue, and it has been found that it is a kind of resistant pigment in tomato lycopene. For this reason, it can protect the skin from the harmful rays of the sun like sunscreen. Number 9. General properties of tomato lycopene. Lycopene is one of the strong antioxidants in the carotenoid family, as you know. Antioxidants are compounds that protect the body against damage caused by compounds called free radicals. When free radicals exceed the level of antioxidants, they increase the risk of chronic disease such as cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. The properties of lycopene contribute to this level balance. In addition, lycopene probably protects the body against damage caused by pesticides, herbicides, certain types of fungi, and monosodium glutamate. There is a famous saying that too much of anything is bad, which is also true for tomatoes. If you consume too much tomato, be careful because it may lead to side effects in your body. Among these complications are acid reflux, kidney problems, irritable bowel syndrome, joint pain and swelling, allergy and infection due to the presence of histamine. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. I hope you will like the points I am saying. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions about tomatoes, ask in the comments section. Your likes give us energy. For more information, follow other videos of this channel. Your health is our wish. Have a nice day.